Hey guys, welcome back to RC311 Studios, where we mainly do RC product reviews, mainly focus on affordable RC toys. Guys, sorry it's been so long since my last upload. It must have been easily 8 months, but unfortunately, obviously due to lockdown, I've worked all the way through it. It's been pretty hectic. Also moved house since then as well. Pretty settled now where I am now, so I thought definitely need to get another video out there to you guys. So went into Tesco's today, went to get my little guy an early Halloween costume. Went in there, got in the little pumpkin costume, hope he does enjoy that. But saw this, it was half price, so the suggested retail on this was 60, we picked it up for £30, so a great saving. What we do, as we normally do, we'll do a little bit of a look around the box, do a quick unboxing, do a review, and then obviously give you some footage of the model actually running itself. Looks like a really cool detailed car. It's the Range Rover Sport. My little guy will love this thing because his mum's actually got one. So guys, also don't forget, if you do enjoy the content, make sure that you give it a big thumbs up. Definitely leave those comments in the comments box below. If there's anything you'd like to see me actually reviewing, just leave the comments in the comments box below. I'll definitely go out and buy it and review it. I'm making a big comeback, especially with the build up to Christmas. You'll probably see in the next week quite a few reviews. We're starting off, like I said, with the Range Rover Sport. It looks extremely detailed. It's 1/10. It is actually quite big. But the beauty of this one is that just two AA batteries in the hand controller. And in the back, as I'll show you, it actually has a rechargeable battery pack. Trust me, that is going to save on the pocket. The pocket will definitely enjoy not buying AA batteries every 30 minutes after 30 minutes of runtime. Massive save in there, so definitely one to look out for. It's 2.4, so you could potentially run it with 19 other RC vehicles as long as they were 2.4 with no interference. Age is 6+ years of age, and like I said, pretty detailed. We're going to do a quick unboxing, then we'll just have a quick look around the model, charge the battery up, get some AA's in there, and we'll put it to the test, run it on all different surfaces like we normally do. Right guys, let's get straight into an unboxing, and then I'll bring you the review.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Just at first glimpse, man, this thing looks absolutely stunning. Got the twin pipes at the back, double sunroofs. I'm not sure if the doors open. No, they don't. But look at that, little rubber mirrors, which is cool because that's always the first thing that will snap off of the little mirrors. Yeah, rubber tires. Front suspension, and then is it independent? Yeah, independent front suspension on the rear. Yeah, independent rear suspension as well. So it's already looking pretty cool. On the back, at the front, you can see the trim. So obviously, if the wheels are pulling to the right, obviously trim it to the left, and vice versa, so that it'll hold a straight line. Controller looks pretty cool. It's a little pistol grip. What you can see is it's actually quite close. I remember on the Audi, the DTM Audi that we had, that little pistol grip, if you can remember, my little 5-year-old, or he was actually four at the time, he could hardly use that because he had to get his finger underneath the actual trigger. This is a lot better positioned, so little guys will be able to use it, and even big fingers like myself. And the hand controller feels, for the money, you can't really complain. Especially when I picked it up for £30, what a result. It wasn't actually Tesco's, guys, it was actually Sainsbury's in the UK. Just in case, I want you guys to obviously get the discounts. Note the reason I do this, so it makes it all affordable, especially that build up to Christmas. I can't even remember which Sainsbury's I went to. Anyway, here nor there, but I got the last one, so you may have to kind of maybe go online, see if there's a couple online still, but check that out. It's definitely a great saving, and it feels pretty solid. Like I said, all independent suspension, little rubber mirrors, rubber tires, even got the little vents at the front. Man, I'm loving it. I'm sure my little boy will. Little safety screwdriver when you got to drop the battery pack in once we charge the pack up. Right, got the battery pack charged. I used a fast charger. It's quite an expensive charger. It only took 20 minutes. But what I did find in the box that you have a USB charger. Not sure how long that'll take. I will charge it off that and let you know later in the video. It will pop up on screen how long it actually took to charge from just the USB charger. What we'll do, I said I wasn't going to bother with the hand controller, but I will. Just Phillips screwdriver, star screwdriver. I've got a more user-friendly one, so we'll just open that up on the bottom of the controller. That's going to take two. Guys, put brand new batteries in. Don't mess about, because when you're losing connectivity with the hand controller to obviously to the model, most of the time it's because you put in obviously quite old batteries. So drop in two brand new batteries into the hand controller. They're AA's, like I said. That just pushes back in, clips into place, and then obviously the safety screw, just nip that up. Right, that's that done. As far as the car itself, turn it over, another safety screw, just loosen that off quick. Then there's two tabs, as you can see on the bottom, two tabs there and there. All you'll do, pull it towards you, that'll flip open. There you've got obviously the plug, male connector, female connector. Like I said, it took me, what did it take me, 20 minutes to charge that. You'll see there's a little ridge on the female end, and you can see the little piece that's going to go over that and clip it into place, and that's all it is. Just push that down and that's nicely connected. Let's see, route this the best way. Make sure that's nicely tucked in. We'll just drop the battery cover back on. Make sure that clips into place. Phillips screwdriver, and all we'll do is just nip that safety screw up, and that's it. Don't over tighten it, because obviously you're screwing it into plastic, you don't want to strip it out. So that's all good to go. What we're going to do, like I said before, to connect it, to actually pair the two, turn on the hand controller, red LED light is flashing, turn on the car, which is underneath, have a look at the hand controller, stop flashing, and it's good to go. Yep, so it's even got headlights, working headlights. I wonder if it's got rear tail lights when it reverses. Yeah, so two little extra functions, front headlights that work in, and when you're reversing you've got your tail lights. So that's pretty cool. Seems a bit just off the table, and that's a full charge. Seems a bit docile, but I'm not sure once it gets going. Like I said, we'll run it on the carpet, we'll run it outside. It is quite a big model for indoor use, as it is one tenth of a real Range Rover, so it is quite big itself. So that's what we'll do, guys. A little bit more information if you want to know. As far as speed wise, 11 to 13 kilometers an hour. Charge time, like I said, I'm not too sure, because I use quite a quick, expensive charger that I use for my high-powered remote control cars. But I will get back to you just using the USB. Distance-wise, range-wise, that you'll still have control of the model will be roughly 35 meters. The retail price was 60. We picked it up from Sainsbury's for £30. So guys, if you're in the UK, check it out. Go to your Sainsbury's, your local Sainsbury's, and see if you can pick one of these models up. Great price, great present for Christmas coming up, which is approaching us very quickly. Additional, like I said before, if you enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments in the comments box below. If you haven't already, guys, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. That will notify you when I've uploaded new videos to YouTube. Guys, look forward to seeing you again. Support the RC311 Studio family, and we'll bring you loads of more videos in the very, very near future. Not bad, is it? The headlights, right? I think that's all it was. It hadn't been charged, right? Don't stop me, man. Oh, it's stuck in the grid. Stuck, dude.
The wheel.
Oh, no. going flat. Battery going flat.